Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I am here with the new System Ad Copy Pros. You guys, this system is sweeping the internet right now. And if you know me, then you know I gotta be the first to hop on. Okay, it's been out for at least about a week or two, but it's sweeping the internet, man. And so, if you know anything about internet marketing, you know you need to get in when it first start, and that's how you get the best results. Okay, so I'm bringing this to you. So what is it? Ad Copy Pro. Okay, so when you join this company, basically what you're going to be given is access to pre-written ad copies that you will be posting around social media. Okay, these ad copies are just giving you different ways to market whatever it is or whatever business it is that you have to market it online. And then by doing so, when people get started, you will get paid instant commissions, $25 commissions or $100 commissions. Okay. So total, you can get paid $125 per person. Okay. So this is what the system looks like. Once you join, you get your lead capture page, video sales page, and all this good stuff here. Okay. So the price starting off is $25. This is a one-time fee, no monthly fees with any of this, okay? There is an additional $10 licensing fee, and that's it. So about $35 to get started with this program, you guys. And when I tell you that I'm getting ready to kill this system, as I do every system, and the people that are with me, we're going to the top, okay? So I'm bringing this to you guys. This system is amazing. If you're familiar with email processing, it's pretty much the same thing, but it's like a email processing on steroids. Okay, so you get your pre-written ad copies. That's what you're paying for. Your PDF pretty much of different things and different ways you can promote online. Okay, different subject lines, just a list of a good 100, 300. I'm not sure exactly how many, but it's a lot. Okay, and then from there you get your system all set up and you're good to go. Now, mind you that these are daily commissions, meaning you get paid every single day. All right, when someone decides to join you, you get paid every day. Now, why wouldn't you want to get started with this? Okay. Everything's 100% legit. You guys know I don't promote anything that's scam, skeptical. I check it out completely before I get involved with it because I don't want to put my face on anything that's a scam. So this is definitely a legit system. One thing I forgot to mention, you guys, is that this is a one-up system. Okay. What do I mean by that? Okay. So the company is $25 to start. All right. When you get started, okay, you get 100% commissions. When you get your referral, your first person will go up to your sponsor. So whoever's sponsoring you, they will get your $25. Are you like, what? But take a look at this, you guys. Any commission you get after that is yours. Okay. And then anybody that you sign up, they have to give you at least one sign up. Okay. So this is a team building effort, meaning that everybody is going to get paid if you do it right. Okay. If you help your team, this isn't a selfish system. This isn't, oh, I have to make the most money, so I'm not helping nobody. I just want everything for myself. In order for you to make good money, you're gonna have to help your teammates. That's why this is the best system going right now, is because it's a team build. So anybody that joins me, I'm going to make sure I help you so that we all get money. Okay? That's the best thing about it. If you guys want to know a lot more, click the link below this video. It will bring you to a page like this. Watch this 9-minute video. It will explain everything that you need to know about the company and give you all a few testimonials from some other members that are already in it. Okay? After you get done watching the video, go ahead and click start. It will bring you to a page like this. Fill this information out the best way you can. Okay. Click create account. Once you get there, you should be receiving emails and stuff like that. Once you go ahead and make your payment, you'll be sent here. Okay. It will have my referral name. This is the guy I joined, Jeremy Blackman, great online marketer. And then it will have my number, my email, and then my username as well. Facebook group. This is the company Facebook group, which I'll show you here. So let me go here. And this group is growing really fast. It's about 1.2K members, so about 1,200 members already. And they only joined. They only started a few weeks ago, you guys. So this thing is at the ground level. So go ahead and get started with it. All right. All right. So as you can see here, people are getting welcome into the group already. This is the founder, I believe, of the company here. Just joined. Glad to be a part of the family. So people are joining all day. You know, you have a support group here, you guys, so it's like nobody's left behind. All right, you support group. I'll be helping you. I'll be setting up trainings and all that good stuff. If you know how marketing, you know the system is going down. That's going down at the Ad Copy Pro system. So yeah, go ahead and get started today. If you don't want to join, you know, the $100 level, don't worry about it. Go ahead and just get started. Test it out on the $25 level. If you see some progress fairly early, or you see this is something easy that you can do, go ahead and just upgrade. Okay. So with that being said, get started with the Ad Copy Pro system today. Contact me as soon as you do. All my information is actually on the website. You will be able to have a little button here that'll go straight to my inbox. If you need to text me, my information is in the description below. If you have any further questions after you watch the video, contact me. I'll answer everything. Let's go ahead and get you guys started on making some daily profits. Who wouldn't want to get paid daily, okay? Get started, contact me, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.